Hello and welcome to another video from H&W Answers. Today I'm doing a video about SmartThings of Samsung. 3 days ago I've ordered that smart thing of Samsung from Amazon, from United Kingdom, and it cost me only £75. If I purchased that box, actually that hub from bol.com of any other websites or from Netherlands, it will be costing me more, around €200. So piece of advice for people: if still you want to buy a smart thing, just order it from Amazon.com, Germany, or from UK. Then it will be much cheaper than buying it directly from here. Alright, let's open that. I've already opened the seals, but don't know what is inside still. So okay, you can see what support this smart hub. Pretty almost everything. Alright, so okay, let's see first the hub itself. I had version 2 before that. So as you can see, that version 3, it is by the way, it is Samsung SmartThings Hub number 3, version 3. It's quite slim actually, and it's a little bit smaller than version 2, and has one connection port, a USB and DC connector port. Alright, so it looks quite decent, very small. As you can see in my hand, it looks very small. Alright, let's put it on side. Let's see what's underneath. Okay, of course, warranty card and manual. Alright, oh yeah, okay, that's the charger, and it comes with the UK charger, but luckily I have one converter for that, so I can still use it in Netherlands. Otherwise I'm going to order similar plug from Amazon or from eBay, or even from bol.com. And of course enter the cable. Alright folks, so on my next video, which I will be doing probably next week, as I'm still waiting for the smart bulbs and some other smart stuff that I have ordered, still waiting for them to be arrived. And then I will show you guys the process of setup and what is my planning actually to do it at home. Alright guys, stay tuned for our next video. Bye.